Hello to my dear friends, followers, listeners, and day traders over you all. Hope all will find you doing very awesome trading. Today, we are going to show you an awesome boom and crush and the step index combination robot. What is this robot? This is based on MACD and also building around the strategy. I hope before 1 week I posted on YouTube this strategy. Also, I hope you guys are milking the market. Now, this strategy we converted in auto trading robot. So, what is this? As I told you, this is a market enabling urban strategy and awesome scalping robot. Look at the previous day's history. First of all, I will show you the crash 500 index, what robot made and what is the risk and the reward factor. First of all, you guys looking at the crash 500 index 0.20 lot size and making continuously profit. This is sale position, so it means the spike trade. Okay, and look here, not just one spike trade, it continuously made a lot of spikes and profit. Look here, okay, there is another loss and making continuously profit. And look here, this is and sale position. And look here, buy scalping 2. Okay, 0.20 is the basic lot size of a broker. And look here, the last one, crash 500 buy 0.03, one loss recorded, okay, in the previous period, and the total return is $371. And let me show you another crash 1000. And look here, crash 1000 0.20 lot size $234.24 is the reward. And look here, this is also in a spike trade. And let's see what's the profit factor. And also look here, the crash 1000 is 0.06 cent, okay, just only one loss. Okay, now again I'm going to show you step index $126.50, okay, the previous days. And the basic lot size is 0.20, okay, and 0.25. I continuously made profit. And the recorded losses also here. Look here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 trades in a loss, and it made $126. The return a boom 500 index. Look here, the buy position, it's mean the spike trade, the 97 point. It is some awesome robot which make awesome profit in scalping in other indexes. Look here, the crash 5, crash 1000, and now it's time to boom 1000. Look here, boom 1000 also made 9.60 cents in this month. Is making continuously profit. If you guys interested, check the investor password right down in this video description, and contact details also available WhatsApp and the Telegram. So if you want to purchase $70 one account license and demo free, so let's chat with me and make awesome tips. If someone want copy trade using this robot, also contact with me.